My name is Buddy Williams, and I am bringing to you a special report with my partner, Duncan Green, on the John Barron v. Baltimore case. This case happened in 1833 when John Barron filed a lawsuit against the city of Baltimore, Maryland for deprivation of property outlawed by the Fifth Amendment. He claimed that the city of Baltimore had ruined his property by dumping sand in his wharf, ruining his business. He won in the local court and received $4,500 in compensation from the government. However, an appellate court reversed this ruling, and then John Barron took this decision and appealed it to the Supreme Court. Chief Justice John Marshall of the Supreme Court of the United States ruled that the Fifth Amendment only applies to federal government, and that since Maryland had created its own constitution with its own rules and laws, the Constitution of the United States would only affect the United States. So, therefore, the Constitution does not affect states' powers, and this case would not be under the federal jurisdiction. Now, hand it over to my partner, Duncan Green.
The lasting effect of the ruling clarified that the Bill of Rights does not limit the power of the state governments, but solely limits the power of the federal government. The ruling would remain in effect until the 14th Amendment and its Due Process Clause, which was subsequently interpreted by the courts to extend the application of the Bill of Rights to the state governments as well. The Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice John Marshall, has ruled in the favor of the city of Baltimore. Marshall declared that Barron had no basis for a claim under the Constitution because the Bill of Rights does not apply to the states.
Thanks for that, Duncan. Thank you guys for watching. Here are our sources.